In the previous class, we discussed the topic, God wants us to work. Work is a job or an activity that we do regularly, especially in order to earn money. In today's class, we will be discussing the topic types of work and why we should work. Different types of work include carpentry teaching, bricklaying showmaking, engineering trading, tailoring driving, etc. Why we should work. We should work so that we can earn a living. We work to take care of our basic needs such as food, clothing and housing. Another reason why we work is to be able to take care of our family. As a bricklayer, we work to build houses for people. As a teacher, we work to impart knowledge to people so that they can be out of ignorance. As medical doctors, we work to reduce the spread of diseases and cure those that are sick. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.